Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Danny G. If you're new here, thank you for checking out my channel for the first time. If you're coming back, thank you so much for coming back. And everyone, thank you for your precious time today. So as you guys can already tell from the title, I will be unboxing another ring light. Yes. So I got this company that contacted me and it was like, do you want to try out one of these items out? And the ring light was one of the options. So I was like, hell yeah. I love ring lights now. I'm just like a fan of them. So yeah, let me show you guys what it looks like. And by the way, you can definitely get this on Amazon. I'll have the link down below, and the price is about 30, like 31 or 32. I'm not specifically sure at this current moment, but it's in the low 30s. So this is what the box looks like. This is exactly how I got it. The only downside that I didn't like about the packaging is the fact that there's no tape over here, so anybody could easily open it and just like take whatever they want to take and replace it with something. That really bothered me, so I'm definitely gonna put a review about that, but everything else was totally fine. There was a label right here. I got rid of that because we don't want any creeps. But yeah, as soon as I open the box, this is what you see in here. Well, this is what I see for my box. Obviously we have, you know, the instructions on how to put it together, but who reads those nowadays? We just figure it out ourselves because we're all technicians. Anyway, so next there's the two ring lights in here in this bubble wrap that I'm definitely going to pop after this. And we have the holder for the phone. The holder does expand, so that's really good. I don't know if y'all can see that, but the holder does expand. Oh yeah. All right, out of the box, next we have, to be honest, I don't know the specific names. Maybe I should be looking at this little slip that will tell me the specific names. So yeah, so we got this little piece right here, which is extremely important for us, I guess. And then we have a little remote shutter, which I feel like is going to be extremely useful because I don't have to come back every time to the, you know, to the camera to check and start and all that stuff. Over here we have the legs. By the way, it is like a desk ring light. It's not something you could prop on the floor unless you're sitting on the floor and you want ring light on the floor. But yeah, this is how big and long the legs are. I want to make sure you guys get a good view of that. So oh, okay, so this came off. But let's see if we can put it back on. Yes, we can. Very nice. Now, oh, that was metal. Metal against metal. So, next is, I guess we're gonna call it our head. So, one ring light goes over here, another ring light goes over here, and our phone goes over here. Oh, and you can unscrew this. That's cool. So you can unscrew these two and just move it around. That's really nice. That's nice. That's really nice. So we're definitely gonna try this out and see if it turns on, because if it doesn't, then I'll definitely send it back because it doesn't turn on, you know. All right, so okay, just so you guys know, it does not have like an outlet plug. It has this USB plug, which I like, but at the same time I hate, because how about if I have no computers around? Like, what am I gonna do? Just like, unless you got an adapter, maybe you can use that. We're gonna definitely try that out and see if it works that way. And okay, so let me go ahead and use my adapter and see if it'll turn on that way. If not, the other option I would have is to plug it into a PC. Okay, so I have several of these adapters. I get so many of them and I don't use all of them. So I'm gonna show you guys. And by the way, it comes with a remote over here where you can control the lights if you want to make it lighter or darker. We're gonna test that out real quick as well. So this is what I'm seeing right now. It does look like it has power, and yes, it does. That's very nice. So it does not come with an adapter, but you can definitely get an adapter from your phone. 90% of these phones come with separate adapters, so you can use that. Perfect. Looks very nice, very cute. Let's keep testing and see how light and dark it can get. Sorry, you guys. I'm trying to hold both. Okay, so I think this is the brightest, because I went all the way to the plus, and this is all it's giving me. Now let's go all the way to the minus. Okay. So this is the lightest. I mean the lighter, yeah, I guess. Okay, now let's try this button right here. Very curious. Oh, okay, so it gives a warmer tone of color, which is really nice. Let's see. Oh, okay. So that was 2 of them, and let's try this. And it goes back to that bluish white crisp light. Okay. So let's turn it off for now. And let me go ahead and put all this gadget together so we can definitely look at it. Alright, you guys, so I decided to put everything together, and this is how it's looking. It reminds me like Mickey Mouse or something like that, but this is where you would obviously put your phone, and here you can like flip it like this or put it like this. Now, I was really concerned about that, if this is like movable, because if it's just like this, like the portrait form, then that wouldn't work for me, but it definitely can go into the landscape type, which is really good. Now I need to tighten this up. That's what I need to do. Okay, now we're gonna try, I'm gonna definitely try taking pictures with this and see, you know, how do I look? Do I look even better? Or do I look worse? I don't know. But I'll definitely do the warm tone and the lighter white blue tone. So yeah. So like I said, this is perfect for desk. If you're a beginner, if you take all your pictures where you're sitting at, this will definitely work out. So yeah, I mean, what else can I say about this? It looks like you can only use one at a time if you wanted to. So you can take one off and just focus on one of the lights, and we'll turn it on and see if, oh yeah, you see? So you can just focus on one light, and then obviously you can make that one light super bright. That's really cool. But anyways, that is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and definitely check out the ring light in the link
down below, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.